Joe Zikas from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Lakeview East, just steps from Lakeshore Drive and Belmont Harbor, for a walk through one of the newly renovated apartments at the full amenity, pet-friendly Wave Lakeview.
Welcome to the Lakeview neighborhood. We're in the Wave building, which is a newly renovated building, full amenity. We are looking south in one of our one-bedroom, one-bath units. All new windows in these units that have the soundproof technology in them, so they block out a lot of that street noise, which of course is a benefit when you live in a bustling neighborhood like Lakeview. And a ton of sunlight facing south. Your unit will be very bright, which is nice. Open concept living. We've got a spacious kitchen with an island card and all brand new upgraded full-size stainless steel appliances. You see a 5-burner gas range, so if you like to cook, you are in luck with that system. Of course, we've got a beautiful, large, open concept living space, enough room for all of the proper furniture. We've got a nice little entry hallway as you come into the unit, 2 coat closets, tons of storage, and then you're going to see our Euro-style washer-dryer combo, LG, brand new. And another area of the closet that's perfect for all of your utility storage. As you come through, you've got the entry to your brand new bathroom with beautiful finishes, light gray walls, gray tile, rain head shower, beautiful vanity and large mirror. And then onto the spacious bedroom. It's light gray plush carpeting in here. We've got it shown with a queen-size bed, but you could absolutely fit a king-size bed and larger furniture. Nice closet space. All of the closet lights are going to be automatic as well, so super energy efficient. In fact, the whole unit is very energy efficient. All 5-star rated energy efficient appliances as well. You've got quartz countertops with a glass backsplash and a nice big deep sink in the kitchen as well. And the flooring in this unit is beautiful, easy to maintain, wood laminate flooring. Beautiful new kitchen cabinets, and you'd be the first person to live in your unit, which, you can't beat that. So if you're interested in seeing this one bed, one bath, or any of our floor plans in the building, please give us a call or go to our website, and I'd be happy to show you around.
Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.